With the growing number of online courses being produced, it is critical that digital media materials be adapted to accommodate learner variability. In this tutorial, I will demonstrate how to create and export a closed captions file for a video project in Premiere Pro. Closed captioning for video ensures effective and equal communication for all. It's also the law. Students with disabilities must be provided aids or services to assure equal opportunity to participate in and benefit from education. Aside from legal compliance to prevent disability discrimination, there are numerous other benefits to closed captioning. Captions improve retention and focus. Captions allow students to read while viewing video, improving overall information retention and recall versus oral-only or visual-only instruction. Captions improve reading comprehension and literacy for non-native English speakers and help clarify dialogue when technical terms are used or when speakers have an accent. Captioning is venue agnostic. Whether a video is playing on a kiosk in a campus center or on a mobile device in a classroom, with captioning, a video's message is successfully conveyed, regardless of the viewing venue or silent autoplay mode. After viewing this tutorial, educators will understand how to manually create a closed caption file, time the individual caption blocks to the audio track of the production, and export an SRT sidecar file that can be synced with videos posted through online streaming services such as YouTube and Vimeo. To get started, go to Program Monitor Settings, enable Closed Captions Display, and select Settings, CEA 708. Click OK. Position your timeline playhead at the beginning of your sequence by hitting the Home key. Go to File, New, Captions. In the New Captions dialog box, choose CEA 708 for Standard, Service 1 for Stream, and Time Base 30 frames per second. Click OK. A Captions file will appear in your project panel. Make sure the timeline playhead is at the beginning of your sequence. Drag and drop the Captions file onto the empty area above the uppermost video track and the timeline. Position the playhead at the end of the sequence, select the out point of the Captions file, and hit E to extend the edit to the playhead. Hit the Home key to return the playhead to the beginning of the sequence. Double-click the Captions file in the timeline, and in the Captions panel, click the plus button to add the first caption block. In the text box, type Upbeat Orchestral Music. Select Paint On for type, center alignment, color white. Drag the end bracket of this caption block to the beginning of the first soundbite. Make sure the timeline playhead is located on this frame. In the Captions panel, click the plus button again, and in the text box, type in With Our Business Accounts. Choose Pop-On for type. Zoom in on the timeline by clicking the plus key on your keyboard. Play back the sequence, and after you hear the last words, With Our Business Accounts, stop playback. Drag the end bracket of this caption block to the playhead. Continue adding caption blocks and adjusting the end brackets to match the timing of the audio track in your sequence. When you reach the end of the sequence, save your project, Command S, and press O to set an out point, marking the entire sequence. Press Command M to open the Export Settings panel. Select H.264 for format. Click the output name, title the file, and navigate to the location you want to save it to. Click Save. Click the Captions tab and choose Create Sidecar File, SRT. Click the Export button. Premiere Pro will save both an MPEG-4 file and an SRT file to the designated location. After uploading the MP4 file to YouTube, click on the Subtitles CC tab. Select Add New Subtitles or CC. Select your language. Click Upload a File, choose Subtitles File, click on Choose File, navigate to your file, click Open, and Upload. Click Publish. In Vimeo, upload your MP4 file, go to Settings, Advanced, and under Upload Captions and Subtitles, click Choose File. Navigate to your Captions file and click Open. Check the On box, select the language, and choose Captions for type. In this tutorial, you learned how to manually create a closed captions file, time caption blocks to an audio track, export a SRT sidecar file, and sync the captions file to an online streaming video. Remember the learning advantages to using closed captioning, and make sure to incorporate this important feature in all of your future productions.